Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to revive wilted plants in Grow a Garden. So, have your plants suddenly turned pale or wilted it like this? If you found your plant suddenly turned pale like this, don't ignore it. Because when a plant becomes pale or wilted, it means it's unhealthy. And if you leave it like that for too long, maybe your plant can eventually die. And luckily, facing it is super easy. First, just head over to the gear shops like this, and then next, just buy the watering can. It costs 2,000 cycles, and then after that, just go back to your garden, and then next, just equip the watering can like this, and then just pour it onto your wilted plant. Like this, you can see it. Your plant will recover and turn green again immediately like this. So if you ever see your plants looking pale, and make sure to water them quickly before it's too late. And again, that's how you can revive wilted plants in Grow Garden too. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.